Hello children, in last class we completed till 5th problem. Today is 6th problem. What is the 6th question? Write the numbers in figures. Figures means numbers you need to write. Now in that first one, 40,000. 200. 70. 40,270. 40,040. Now for 1,000, you will get after a comma you will get 3 digits. 3 digit means ones, tens and 100. Now 270. 270. 70 is 7 and your 0 will be your ones place. 40,270 is your figure for your first one. Now next is your second one. 14,000. 64. 14,000. 14 means 1 4 and comma 1,000 means you need to get 3 digits, that's ones, tens and 100. Now 64. Here you can see 100 place is not there. So in 100 place you get 0 and 64. 64 is your ones and tens. Here 100 place is not there, so it's a 0. Now 14,064 is your answer. Now next third one and fourth one is your homework. Okay now next seventh digits. Sorry, from 4 digit numbers with the digits is your given digit is 4, 0, 3 and 7. This is your 4 digits. And find which is the greatest and the smallest among them. So you need to write your greatest number with these 4 digits. Now greatest number is equal to, in this which is your first digit is greater 7, next 4, next 3 and next is your 0. This is your greatest number is your 7,430. Now next is smallest. And this is your smallest. In the first you need to, which is your smallest number? 0. But starting number you need to not take 0. First you need to take second smallest number is 3. Then afterwards you take 0. Then next smallest 4 and 7. Now what is your answer? 3,047 is your answer. This is your 7th sum. Now next is your 8th. Now next 8th bit is the smallest 4 digit number. The smallest 4 digit number is 1000. Now next the greatest 4 digit number is 4 nines. And next the smallest 5 digit number is 10,000. Next the greatest 5 digit number is 5 nines. 99,999. 9,999 and it's 1,000. Estimation and rounding of numbers means nearest tens, nearest thousand, nearest 10,000. How to we will do rounding off. So in your first means in your first train passengers are 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay now next train is passengers are 5, 6, 7 and 8. There is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now here in this we will add 1. Means in your handwriting. Now if you are doing example, it is your nearest tens. Nearest tens. Now if you have some 76. Now for 76 ones and your which one you are doing nearest tens. Tens means your ones place should be 0. So here we have ones and tens. Now your ones place should be 0. So and also you check in your ones place is either 6 or 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now here you can see your ones place is 6. So what I said for 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 means what should you do? We need to add in your tens place 1. Okay na? In tens place you need to add 1. Now your already ones place will be 0. Now 7 plus 1 is how much? 80. Now what is your nearest number for rounding of number for your 76 is 80. Now you see other example. Some 72. 72 your ones place should be 0, but you need to check your tens place also. Now here ones place is 2. Now 2 means what I said, no need of adding any number. Just you write as it is tens place number. Your tens place number is 7. So your ones place is 2. No need of adding again. So directly you put 0. This is how you will do nearest tens. Now if 100. Nearest 100. Example, if we have 254, it is your nearest 100. Now 100 means ones place, tens place should be 0, and you need to check whether you need to add under place 1 or as it is you need to keep. You need to check here in your tens place you need to check. So your ones place will be automatic 0, but you check in your tens place whether it is 5 or 6 or 7 or 0, 1, 2, 3. Now here is 5. You can say 5 is in your which second. So what we need to do? We need to add for your hundreds place. Now add 2 plus 1 is 3. And your hundred place will be automatically 0. So 254 number is which is nearest to 300. Now another example. 136. Now ones place will be automatic 0, you keep 0. Now you will check tens place. Tens place is 3. In which place it is? Once it is in your first train. So first train percentage will be like that only, they won't change anything. So 3 is in your first train. So we can't add or anything we can't do. So you write number like that only and your tens place will be 0. The 136 will be nearest to 100. Now next we move on to nearest 1000. Example. Nearest 1000 is 2674. Now here you need to check your ones tens will be automatically 0. No need to bother about your ones and tens value. Now where you need to check? You need to check in your hundreds place. Hundred place will be also 0, but you need to check here whether it is your, you need to add for tens 1 or not, you need to check. Now 6 is in which train? Second. So for second passenger what they are doing? Adding 1. So for where you need to add? You are doing nearest 1000, so thousands place you need to add 1. Now 2 plus 1 is how much? 3. Now your hundred place will be 0 and 2 plus 1 will be 3. Now 3000. It is nearest to which? 3000. This number is nearest to 3000. Now next second example is there. 1276. This is your ones, tens, 100,000. Now you keep ones and tens place is 0, 0. Now you check your 100 place whether it is in first train or it is in second. Now the second is your passenger is in first train. The first time means the number should be same. So keep 1 like that only and 100 place will be 0. Now 1276 nearest to 1000. Now we want to say exercise number 2. In that first way, round out the following numbers to the nearest tens. They are asking you to do nearest tens. So in that first one, the first one is 89. 89. Now what I said, by starting your sum you write here 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and second is your 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For here you add plus 1. Now nearest tens you are doing your ones place and your tens place. Your ones will be 0. But you are doing nearest tens means you need to check ones place. Now ones place is where? Your second train. Second second rank means 9 is in your second rank. So you need to, what you need to do, we need to add 1 where in tens place. So 8 plus 1 is how much? 9, and here 1's place will be 0. Now next second sum, 415. 415 is ones and tens. No need of checking your 100 place. You write 100 place like that only. Just you check only ones and tens place. Now here ones place is 5. 50 passenger is in which place? Which train? Second train. Second train is how much you need to add? 1. Where you need to add? In your tens place. You add 1 plus 1 is 2. Your ones will be 0. Now next third one. 3,151. Now ones, tens. You are doing nearest tens. So you do only ones and tens only. You check. You write 100 and 1000 like that only. Okay na? Now 1 is in your tens ones place. So first passenger is in which train? First train. First train means what will you write in the tens? 5 only. That same number you need to write, and ones will be 0. Now next fourth one. 4,409. Now you write hundreds place and thousands place like that only. Now check here your ones and tens. Now here you can see 9 is in which passenger is in which train? Second train. Second train is what we need to do? We need to add in your tens place. Now 0 plus 1 is how much? 1. Now ones place will be 0. This is how we will do in your first bit nearest tens. Now next second bit. Second bit is rounding of the following numbers nearest hundreds. Now here you need to do nearest hundreds. In that first one, 695. Now nearest 100 means how many ones place and tens place should be 0. Now ones place you put 0 and 100 place you check. 100 place tens place you check. In tens place what is the number? 9. 9 means you need to add 1 to our hundreds place. Now 6 place 1 is how much? 7, and your tens place will be 0. Now next second one. 36,152. Now ones, tens, 100, 1000 and 10,000. You write 36 like that only, and you check ones place is 0 and check tens place. Tens place is how much? 5. It is in your second rank. What we need to do? We need to add 1 to our 100 place. Now what will become 1 plus 1? 2. Now your 36,152 is nearest to 36,200. Okay na? Now next